Let's enjoy a guilt-free, low-carb eggplant lasagna with our most underrated product. First, you crumble up some tofu and you don't even have to pat it dry. Our lemon herb seasoning is literally one of the best things. It's one of my favorites. You mix it together, ta-da, you have tofu ricotta, that's it. But now we're gonna move on to the eggplant. You're gonna slice a large eggplant like this. Once you have that all ready, you put it to a baking tray. After you've added it to the baking tray, you're going to add some salt. Now what the salt does is that it removes the excess moisture because you're gonna let it sit there and the moisture comes out and you're gonna pat it dry. It also removes a bitter flavor. So drizzle some oil and then you're going to flip it over and do that all over again. You're gonna pat it dry and you're gonna add some more oil because we want these to be like crispy and thin, but you don't wanna add too much oil. So you're gonna bake them for about 25 minutes until they're soft, kind of like lasagna noodles, but yay, we're using vegetables. And we're gonna put some pesto on here. If you want a pesto recipe, we have a recipe for that up here in this link too. So now it's time for your tofu ricotta. You guys, I love this because it is packed, and I mean packed with lots of plant protein, and it was so easy to make. You add some spinach for more veggies and more protein, more of that eggplant. Then you're gonna add more pesto until it's nice and layered, more spinach. I just love how much green and vegetables are in this. You can add some vegan cheese if you want, that's optional. And you guys, add marinara sauce. I'm generous on this layer because I forgot to add a bottom layer, but that's okay. Sometimes you forget these things. So now you're gonna add another layer of eggplant, again, some pesto, and then you're gonna add the rest of the tofu ricotta because that's gonna be kind of like your cheese layer. And you guys, you'll be surprised at how just amazing this tastes. You wouldn't even know that it's tofu. Finish off with another layer of some marinara sauce, and then you can top it off with our vegan parm. You gotta love our vegan parm, and then some breadcrumbs. This gives it that nice, cool, crispy look when you put it in the oven. Bake it for 20 minutes so it gets hot, and now you're ready to serve. Look at that crispiness. Oh my gosh, this was so good. I ate 2/3 of the tray. Let me know if you're gonna try it.